I open a PayPal account in Nigeria without VPN, and I will going to show you a step that I take before I open a PayPal account that will work for me. That the PayPal that I can use to receive money from Facebook, from TikTok, from YouTube, and is accepted by other regions. So on this video, I'm going to show you a step that I take before I open the PayPal account. Without no wasting of your times, let me take you to the screen and show you how I open a PayPal account in Nigeria. And if it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Osi. Please help me do well by following my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you share this video for other people to take a benefit too. So let's go to the screen. Let me show you how I open a PayPal account in Nigeria. So first of all, what you need to do is for you to go to your Google Play Store. When you reach your Google Play Store, you are going to download this app called Paga. When you download this Paga app here, I have already downloaded my. That is why you're seeing it is writing open. So we are going to open a Paga. When you open a Paga like this, it's asking you to sign up or log in. If you did not sign up before, so you go to sign up, and if you have the account before, you go into login. So let's start from the beginner. Let's enter sign up. So Pega will ask you whether you want to open a primary account with a Nigeria account or USSD account, which is United States account. What you need to do is for you to open a Nigeria account first with Pega. Click on Nigeria account. So here they ask you to enter your phone number. So let me enter my phone number. So goodness. So when you enter send code, Pega will ask you when do you want to receive your code. Is it through SMS or through WhatsApp? Let me just say through WhatsApp. So we are waiting for the code. Pega is going to send you a code through your WhatsApp number. Yes, the code is come 16391. Here it is what Pega will request from you. They were asking you to verify your personal face, like your own face. And this is the instruction how to. What you will need to click now, you have to click on get started. Now here is my face. So we are waiting for Pega to verify our selfies and ID. So submission complete. Then we are going to click on continue. So when you click on continue, this is where Pega is going to ask you some necessary information, your email address, and you create your password. And if someone refer you, like as I'm referring you now, you will have to come to here and enter this number you are seeing on your screen. You go enter this number you are seeing on your screen on this referral code so that they can verify you on time. So now you are going to enter your email. Let's use some okay, let me enter one of my email. Okay, after enter the email, we create a password. So we are going to create a password. So you create a password that you can remember, then you click on continue. So you click on continue. So your information is being reviewed. So when the Pega review your information, they're going to give you account like this. They're going to give you account like this. So when you get your account like this, what you need to do is for you to go for this up here, this option in your dashboard here. You are going to click on this Nigeria account here. So on this your Nigeria account here, you can see Pega give you access to Nigeria account, they give you access to United States dollar account, and they give you access for you to add your PayPal account. This is where you are going to get your PayPal account. because all this information that you add in a pega is the information that they are going to use to create a paper account to you. So you are going to click on the paper account. You can see they say you should connect your paper account. Since if you get a paper account, you are going to click on the this thing on in this place. In this place, they are going to give you instruction how to link your paper account. So I could advise you, if you can watch this video, you can watch this video to learn more. And if you cannot, just click on connect. Click on connect. So you are going to enter the email address that you wanted to create your paper with, the email address that you create your paper account with, and the password of your paper account. And if you don't have any, you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, the pega will going to give all your information to paper, which is, you can see my region, my country region is Nigeria. First name has been given, last name has been given. Only what I need to enter here is my date of birth. So when you enter your date of birth, you enter your correct address, the every necessary information. You can enter the second line address, or you can enter your postal code if you wish. Then you click on next. So because I never enter this the information here paper, say, and they are requesting my date of birth. So let me just enter the date of birth here. So they want to know exactly where I'm registered from. Then I'm going to click on next. Security challenge. So the paper want to confirm whether this what you are doing, you are a robot or you are a human. I am a human. Click on this box for the thing to mark. You can see they are going to send the code to this phone number that you see here. Then you enter the code. When you enter the code, it will directly creating your PayPal account. Because I have been creating once already, I don't want to create a multiple account. So that is why I'm going to stop for here. And if you find this video useful to you, please do well by help me share this video for other people to take benefit. And if you are watching this video from Facebook, please do well by follow me. If you are watching from YouTube, do well by subscribe to this channel for more tips update like this.